When a number is written as b raised to power 2 equal to c, b raised to power 2 equal to c, this number is called the base. This number is the power, the index, and actually this one is the answer for this. For example, we have 2 raised to power 5. The answer is 32, right? So 2 raised to power 5, the answer is 32. 5 raised to power 2, the answer is 25. So that one we know. So when we represent a number like it is, this one we call it the index notation. It is called the index notation. We can write this number in the logarithmic notation. We can similarly we can write this number in logarithmic notation. So when we are writing, we're converting index notation to logarithmic notation. This is what I want you to be very keen on. So we have 5 raised to power 2 equal to 25. This is the base. I've said that. This is the index or the power, and this one is the answer. So we want to write this one in a logarithm. So we write log base. The base here is 5, and then the answer 25 equal to 2 the power. So now we have converted the index notation to logarithmic notation. This one is very important for us to go to deal with further logarithms. It is important that you understand this. Therefore, we continue. Let me write one more example. We have 3 raised to power 2. The answer is 9. That's very true that 3 square is 9. Very right. So here 3 is the base, the power 3 square, this is the power, and the answer is here. Therefore, when you are writing in a logarithm notation, you introduce log, right? The base is 3, and then the answer is 9, like this. Now this one, how do we read number? How do we read this number? We read this number as the logarithm of 9 to base 3 equal to 2. Once again, the logarithm of 9 to base 3 is 2. That's how we read this number. Log 10, when a log is just written like this, the base is always 10, because our mathematical table and the calculator, the log is to base 10. So when it is written as this, it simply means log base 10, 10. That's what it means. When we have a log to base 10 and 10, or 2, 2, that one is simply 1. Right? When you take your calculator, you will find that it is true. So we are saying that the log of a and then a, the answer is 1. Very important. It means that log to base 2, 2, the answer is 1. So whenever you see a logarithm, the base is the same, a logarithm 3 and then it is 3, you should always remember that that one is 1. So that takes us to laws of logarithms. So we want to look at laws of logarithms. Log a x y. This is multiplication. This is x times y. The logarithm of a, the logarithm of xy to base a is the same as, because remember, when we multiply in indices, we win addition. So this means that log a of x plus log of a y. That's what it means. So log of a, log of x y to base a is the same as log of x base a plus log of y base a. Very important to note. For example, I can give an example that the log of 3 or of 10, log of 10, log to base 10 log to base 10 3 times 2, right? This is the same as log to base 10 3 plus log to base 10 2. Simply we know this one is the same as log to base 10 6, which is the same as log of 10 3 plus log 10 2. When you press the calculator, it will show you that the answer is the same. That is row 1. Row number 2, the log of a base a, log base a, x divided by y. This is a fraction, so we have a log and then x divided by y. This is simply the same as the log of base a, x, the numerator, divided by log base a, y. That's what it means. Sorry, not divided by, but minus. This is a division, so we subtract. So let me give an example. So we have log base 10 5 divided by 4. This one is the same. Log to base 10 5 minus log to base 10 4. It is the same thing. So that's why I told you need to understand the row of indices, and it will help us when we have division with mean subtraction. When we have multiplication, it is the same as we have addition. Very important. Log a is the base, x raised to power n is equal to, now this power here, we have n log a base a and then x. So I'm saying that the log to base 10 x raised to power n will be the same as n log to base log x to base a. Let me take an example so that you can be able to see clearly. So if I have log to base 10 5 raised to power 2, right? So this one is the same. This to a power here, you put it here. So we have 2 log base 10 to 5. Very important, very important. So if you have 2 log base 2 4, right? What does that mean? This simply means that it is a log to base 2 4 squared. Any number that comes before the log is the square of this number. A number which comes before the log, the word log, is the square of the given number. You should know that.